Okay, we got a 2018 Kia Soul. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. This is the glove box. First, we're going to take that off. Push this down, I guess. Next, we're going to pull that out. Just pull it down. The cabin air filter is right there. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to press down on this and press up on this. It's hard to do, and then pull down and push out. So that's how you do it. The filter's right there. Just take it out. It's pretty dirty. You can either clean this out or replace it with a new one. And then obviously just put that back in and put everything back together, and that's how you do it.